Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to add video in background in container in Elementor in WordPress, right? As you can see, I am into the Elementor editor mode, right? Here I am editing a web page of my website using Elementor, and as you can see, a plus icon is displayed in the middle of the screen. This plus icon can be used to add a container, right? So I am going to click on this, and here it is asking about the layout of the container, right? So I am going to select the flex box, the first one, direction column. Okay, so as you can see, the container have appeared in front of us, and to edit this container there is an option of edit container just above the container, and the icon is of like 6 dots. So we need to click on this, and here in the left side toolbar you can see there are 3 options: layout, style and advanced. You just need to move to the style. Okay, we have selected style, and here in the background we have selected normal, not hover, right? We will learn hover later, right? So we are into the normal as of now, and here we can simply add a video, right? Here it is asking us about the background type, whether you want to select classic, gradient, video or image slideshow. So we are going to select the video as of now. Here it is asking us about the video link, right? So let me add a video link. For example, I just want to add this video, so I have clicked on triple dot and then share and then copy, and again I am back to the editor Elementor tab, right, in my browser, and here in the left side toolbar it is asking us about the video link. So we are going to paste our video link over here, right? And as you can see, the video has been added in the background, but the container height is small, right? So we need to adjust the height first. So we are going into the layout settings of this container in the left side toolbar itself, and here we are into the container settings, and here we are going to increase the height of this container. So we have successfully increased the height of the container. Going back to the style section again, and here we are into the background settings, and in normal we have selected background type as video, and we have already pasted the video link. Right here we can also adjust the time, start time and end time of this video, right? And you can also select whether to play this video once or in loop mode. If in loop mode, then you need not to turn on the play once option, right? Here you can also adjust play on mobile or not, right? So it is by default yes, right? Privacy mode, so privacy mode you can simply adjust yes or no, whatever you want. You can also add a background fallback image. This cover image will replace the background video in case that the video could not be loaded, right? So in case if video doesn't loads, then automatically a background fallback would be shown over here. So this is how you can simply add a video in background of a container in Elementor in WordPress. Apart from it, if you want to learn more about Elementor, then I have added my blog link in video description. You can simply visit my blog and read articles related to Elementor with video tutorials. And if you are interested in learning digital marketing in detail, then also I've added my website link in video description. You can simply visit my website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.